We're in Spartanburg here with the storm recovery. Just if you could tell me a little bit about what it's been like for your teams out in the field this week.
It's been a very good experience. The customers in Spartanburg have been really nice, really receptive to us. They understand it's going to take a little while due to the amount of damage, and they've been nothing but encouraged and ready to help out. They've been trying to feed us, making sure we're staying hydrated and ready for the lights to come back on, and they're glad we're here to help them.
What are some of the things you've seen or that you've heard your teams have seen that are out in the field that have been obstacles that they've had to overcome?
What's been really surprising during this hurricane is the amount of tree damage on the western part of the Carolinas. We know the storm come in as a Cat 4 hurricane down in Florida, but the amount of tree damage that there has been in South Carolina has just been truly shocking. We didn't expect to see it this bad up this far north.
And last question, just kind of share long days, challenging conditions. What keeps you motivated to keep going?
Just willingness to help out our Duke Energy customers. You know, linemen are people that love to help. They love to get out and serve their communities, and knowing that we have customers that are out in the field without any electricity, anything we can do to help their lives and speed up their recovery from this hurricane, we're glad to come out and help out.